What is Stats for Nerds on YouTube and how to use it? Stats for Nerds is a feature on YouTube that provides detailed technical information about the video you are watching. It shows a variety of statistics and data related to video playback, like bitrate, resolution, and other technical metrics that are usually hidden from regular users. So now, in order to use Stats for Nerds, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Once inside the YouTube app, tap on your profile icon or initial in the bottom right corner of your screen to navigate to the profile settings. Now once inside the profile settings, you can see gear icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. Then tap on General option available there. Inside General, scroll down and there you will get to see Stats for Nerds option available. Simply toggle on that switch. Now, Stats for Nerds is a useful tool for those who want to dive deeper into the technical aspects of videos streaming, whether you are trying to diagnose playback issues, analyze video quality, or just want to know more about how YouTube is delivering the video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.